This is Robert Pierpoint speaking to you from Panmunjom. It's 1 minute before 10 p.m. We can still hear the sound of nearby artillery. At some point during the next few seconds, the guns should go silent as the ceasefire officially goes into effect. There it is. That's the sound of peace.
We have some more Hema signs, please.